welcome back to a new video, people. This is day 4 of exploring Rhodes Island, and today we are at where, Macaulay? He is with me.
Church of Holy Trinity. Church of Holy Trinity.
There we go. And any facts on it or anything?
No, I think the only thing I can think of, which I've just said in mine, but I don't know whether it's 100% true. I think it's one of the highest, if not the highest point on Rhodes Island. But it's they're lovely churches, bright white churches with a blue outline, and there's a small one down here, and then the main one upstairs that you can go into. Upstairs, higher up the island that you can go into.
Let's go upstairs and see that one in a bit. Yeah, let's go and explore this little one first. He was after 10 steps. I'm about halfway up, I'd say. Whew. I am so unfit. We have these crosses all over the trees and stones. Look at that. So as you're walking up here, you'll see these numbers. This is how many steps there are up to it. 145 so far. Look at that view. Absolutely unreal. Let's keep going. If you have had enough of walking up and down, there are benches along here. But as we're getting so high, the wind is getting very strong now. I'm not allowed to film in there and not allowed to take photos, so I'm not going to be putting anything in there, but I just recommend you climb all the way up here and have a look. It's worth it. The views are very nice. I mean, look at this. You can literally see most of the island from up here. It's so nice. I'm just going to stop talking. I'm going to let you take in all the views. We have made it to the small town of Lindos, and yeah, let's go check it out, go check some views and see the little streets and shops. Catch you when we're there. In Lindos is everything is like €5 more expensive than it would be anywhere else. It's very expensive here, so I'm trying to find the cheapest food possible, and then I'll put it in this video for you. If I'm honest, I think that town's a little bit overrated. Do you?
Yeah.
I don't think it was that impressive.
I thought it was a lot bigger than it was as well.
Yeah. I think the main attraction for me is the castle up here. So let's go and have a look. The gates are right behind us, and it's shut. Shuts at 3 PM in March. Hardell. If you're in Lindos and you need something cheap to eat, Captain's House will sort you out. €5 I think for a toasty. Recommend, because everything everything else is like 10 euros minimum for like food. So Captain's House is the way to go. Overall, I think that town's very expensive and it's
Overrated.
yeah, a bit overrated, and a lot of the shops sell the same thing, so it's not very like, I don't know, they all sell very very typical tourist sort of things. If that's your thing, then go for it. Yeah.
I bought this somewhere else for €1.80. They were selling it there for €5.60, I think it was.
That says it all. We have now come to get the sunset by the church in the cliff. Let's go and have some fun and catch it.
Lindos.